Look at this guy. He completely changed his appearance in just 12 months. Now women can't stop looking at him. And no, he didn't change his genetics. He didn't get surgery. He just fixed 5 hidden flaws. The same flaws that could be silently destroying your attractiveness right now without you even realizing it. In this video, I'll break down exactly what those 5 flaws are, how to fix them, and how you can transform just like he did. Let's start. 1. Face fat. Look carefully at the first photo. His face looks bloated, full of fat, no clear jawline, no visible cheekbones. But in the second photo, everything changes. His face looks sharp, structured, and defined. That's the power of losing face fat. Most guys, whether skinny or chubby, have some bloating or fat around their face. It hides your real bone structure and makes your face look rounder. The fix is simple. Lose your overall body fat. Go to the gym and start training regularly. Lift weight to build muscles and do cardio to lose fat. Eat protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, lentils, and fish. And cut out all the junk and processed foods. They cause bloating and slow down your progress. Once your body starts leaning out, your face will transform too. And that's when you start looking truly attractive. 2. Fix your hormones. Your hormones control everything, the way you look, feel, and grow. When your testosterone levels are high, your jawline looks sharper, your muscles grow faster, and your body looks stronger. But when it's low, you start looking soft, tired, and less attractive. And sadly, most guys today have low testosterone. Why? Because they stay up late scrolling social media, sit all day at home, and eat too much junk and processed food. So here's how to fix it naturally. First, start going to the gym. Focus on heavy compound exercises like squats, pull-ups, and deadlifts. These boost testosterone the fastest. Next, eat foods high in zinc and protein. Eat eggs, chicken, and dairy products. At the same time, cut out processed junk food completely. And one more thing, avoid eating food packed in plastic containers. Plastic releases chemicals that mess with your hormones and lower testosterone. 3. Frame. When I say frame, I mean the distance between your shoulders. Look at the second photo. Notice how his shoulder-to-head ratio looks perfect. That wide frame instantly makes you look stronger, sharper, and more masculine. It's one of the biggest reasons why he looks so much more attractive. Wide shoulders plus sharp jawline. That's the formula. So, when you hit the gym, don't just train arms or chest. Focus more on shoulders and back exercises, things like lateral raises, pull-ups, and overhead presses. These give you that broad, V-shaped look that instantly boosts your presence. Now think about it. Who looks better between the 2 photos? Almost everyone will pick the second guy. Why? Because of his frame. It doesn't matter how good your face looks. If your frame is narrow and weak, people won't notice you. But once you build that strong upper body and lose the fat around your face, your overall attractiveness goes through the roof. 4. Grooming. Grooming can completely change how you look. It's not about being fancy, it's about staying clean and sharp. Start with your beard. Always keep it trimmed and neat. A messy beard makes your face look tired, but a clean one defines your jawline and gives a confident look. Next, tidy up your eyebrows. Use a small face razor, but don't overdo it. Just remove the extra hair to keep them clean and natural. Then, focus on your smile. Use tooth whitening strips or a whitening toothpaste. A bright smile instantly makes you look more attractive and approachable. Also, take care of your lips. Use a lip balm with SPF. It keeps your lips soft and gives them a healthy pink color. And finally, your hairstyle. Your haircut can literally make or break your look. Choose a hairstyle that matches your face shape and personal style. Look at any transformation online. The hairstyle always makes the biggest difference. If you're confused about what hairstyle suits you best, watch the video I've linked in the description. It'll help you find your perfect look. 5. Consistency. Most people never reach their full potential, not because they're unlucky, but because they give up too soon. They start strong, go to the gym for a week, eat clean for a few days, and then stop. But here's the truth. Consistency beats everything. You don't have to look like a model or a celebrity. You just have to look like the best version of yourself. You might not see results in a few days, but give it a few weeks and you'll start noticing. So stay consistent. Keep showing up, even on days you don't feel like it, because that's how real transformations happen. Not in one day, but every single day you stay disciplined. That's it. 5 ways in which you can achieve your best face.